Now then, let's have a proper look at this. This is the new Katsu angle grinder. And first impressions? Well, it's a tidy looking bit of kit. It's got a right slim handle on it, which is exactly what you want when you're tucked into a tight corner. If we just spin it round and look here at the specs on the side, there we go, it's a 750 watt motor. Now that's plenty of poke for your day-to-day DIY, and probably enough for a fair bit of professional graft too, especially considering what you're paying for it. You've also got 3 different spots to bolt that side handle in, left, right or top, so you can get it just where you want it, no matter how awkward the angle is. The switch is right there under your thumb, nice and clicky, no faffing about trying to turn it on with your gloves on. But as we always say, it's what's on the inside that counts, so let's get it stripped down and have a proper gander at the guts of it. Now check these gears out. That's proper high-grade carbon steel, that. But the real surprise is here. Look at that! They've actually gone and put a needle bearing in there. Now, most of your cheap budget grinders just use a plain old bushing to save a few bob, but a needle bearing is a much better bit of kit. It'll handle the heat better and last a hell of a lot longer. The wiring is all nice and tidy too, it's properly insulated, everything's tucked away where it should be. No bird's nest in here, which is always a good sign of quality control. And then we get to the heart of it, the motor. You can see the copper wiring on the armature there, and them compressed sheets. It feels solid, this. It's got a bit of weight to the copper, not like some of the flimsy, thin-wired stuff you see in the shops these days. Even the stator's all copper as well. I'm not going to pull every single bit apart today, but you can tell just by looking that it's been put together with a bit of care. Honestly, for the money, it's a cracking little tool. Does exactly what it says on the tin. Right then, cheers for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.